Mate, we're back.
We're back.
Good to see you again. Yeah. Back at the scene of the crime.
Yeah, should be a good afternoon, after last week's effort.
We're back on the board, baby.
Dhufish.
We're all popped off.
I'm overly excited. I'm absolutely frothing.
Mate, I've been battling illness all week, so to actually make it here, I didn't know till today that we're actually going to be able to get back down, but absolutely. I've got some energy.
And look, like, could you ask for better?
Well, it's unbelievable winter conditions here, and we wouldn't be here doing what we're doing today if it was a lot rougher. So
no, it actually looks really good, even for the casting rods. Like, close looks good as well as the droning.
Well, there really wasn't much action last week in close, so hopefully you're right. I think it looks like there is some ledges and a bit deeper water. So
definitely like our chances in close this afternoon.
Let's see how we go again, mate. It's almost like a part two, but let's see if we can see what else is out here today.
See if we can keep up with last week. It's going to be hard to top.
It was unbelievable though, mate. So yeah, looking forward to it. So a lot of people like to bring 3 rods down, but just so you've got a 6-footer for bait, bigger rod maybe for tailor and mulloway in close, or anything else big that might be in close. And then obviously we've got our drone rod and stuff as well. I've just got this basic rod, basic reel, 50-pound braid on it to do both. So I'll end up putting a bait rig on here now, see whether there's any bait fish around, and then later on put a big rig on and see how we go as it gets closer to dark. But yeah, definitely you could easily bring a 3rd rod down and then not have to change setups. Not a big deal for me, I'm just cutting a corner today. But yeah, seriously, how do you get such cracking weather in winter? So if you remember last time I was using little chopped up bits of bait, I think little bits of mullet or herring. I think this time I'll go straight to the squid. Just straight up little bits of squid. Hopefully that gets out there and doesn't come off the hook. Looks like it might do. If this comes off straight away bait wise, I think we'll have to change it up. Alright, that didn't work. The squid, as I suspected, was too soft when we froze it, and as a result it won't stay on the hook. Let's try something else. Alright, let's try that again. That's better. So good to be out here, sun and sand. Ooh, good bite. Is that on? Don't know. Real good bites. I think we've got a fish. Yeah, looks like it. Well, technically 2nd cast, but 1st cast where our bait stayed on. This might be a nice whiting. Straight up. You beauty. Great for a mulloway. So I actually use the mini Gamakatsu or Mustad octopus circle hooks, and it was by accident that I found these, about that size, so probably about 0.8 of a centimetre maybe. I placed an online order for some, what I thought was some big hooks to cast for big fish, obviously, like your snappers, etc. and these small ones came through, so instead of chucking them out, which is what I felt like doing, I kept them, ran out of small hooks, started using these, and they've been the best thing ever. So octopus circles, small ones, very good for catching bait fish of all kinds. Got some muleys as well though this time, so I reckon I'll give those a thrash with the big fish later on. Don't know if I'd drone some out, but a lot of people do. Alright, well Jack's getting a few baities, so thought we'd better join the crowd. Trouble is just keeping the bait in the water for us, so I need to bring some fresher stuff with us next time. Just got a massive snag on the reel. Look at that, line everywhere. Just gonna have to cut and rejoin that one. Yeah, right, so you're trying something a bit different today, mate?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the dingle dangle on the drone rig, which I don't know if that's frowned upon or not, but hey.
I'm not frowning?
Nah, I'm not frowning either. I'll catch a fish, I'm not.
No snooktopus today?
No, I got octopus and then those fresh whiting. That's
Yeah, right.
I'm going to try and make up a wicked like octopus and whiting today, but...
Octa whiting doesn't have the same ring, or
snooktopus sound.
whitepus. Yeah, snooktopus sound good, didn't it?
Didn't work though.
No, it didn't get us anything, but who knows? New day.
Okay.
And you're just going a bit of a sort of a... Oh yeah, grapnel.
Grapnel.
Jeez, he's getting serious.
Bit of swell around, so I'm thinking...
Oh, look at this, mate. This guy's getting advanced on me. Just about, we'll see if we can send Jack and land him something of significance today. Lining up some incredible baits. Even mate, I want to eat them.
Yeah, I know, they look alright, eh? Fresh whiting.
It's got the old mush bait on there, so there's Ockie and whiting all wrapped up. Alright, let's see if we can get Jackie out this time. Didn't have much luck last week. Let's see if we can do it. She's gonna go up and we'll check the battery. Yeah, it seems okay. Alright, drop one for Jack. He's got some new line on there. Seems to be good at the minute. This is good. Good bites. Jack's getting the action early. Let's hope this means a hookup, but.
Literally within seconds, eh?
Alright, well there's no reason why we won't just do the exact same thing as last week. Get a nice big chunk out there. Alright, here goes mine. Oh, here we go! I don't know. Feels like he pulled me into a hole, maybe. I think I'm on, but it's pulled me into a hole. Oh, did he come off? I think he came off. I'm out of the snag now. But did I just lose everything? Yep. Spat the hooks and lost my sinker. Unlucky. Let's reload. Wobbly. Oh no, little cod, yeah. It's a little wearer, mate. Well, you got something.
Got something. That's what hit us straight away, and he's been on there the whole time.
Alright, drop 3. Send mine first. See how we go, come on. Let's hook up this time. Starting to get some twilight action now. Always keeping an eye on your height, what's going on, keep your visuals on the drone. Make sure nothing goes wrong if you can. You're there to rescue. Now this one might start biting before we get the drone back. Return to home set. This is when you get that beautiful sky. All right, change batteries. Let's get Jack out there. Something just went. Yes! I think I'm on. I think I'm dragging him out of the reef. Oh, I think he's got me again. Yeah. They just pull you in straight away. Oh! Did he just get off? I think he dehooked himself again. How? That's 2 spat hooks, man. Oh. He might still be on. Yeah, I think I'm still on. Yes. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, I can feel head shakes.
I can't believe that, man. As soon as it hits the water.
Oh, I might have lost him. He might have got off. I think he's got off here, eh? Somehow he spat the hook. Oh, what have I got there? I can see a tail. Yeah, there's a pinky there. It's just a baby and seaweed.
Little baby snapper.
So we still landed him, but he's just a baby. What in Queensland they call squires?
Yeah.
And they can keep these from 35 centimetres.
That's crazy.
Unbelievable.
Look at the colours on it.
That's beautiful. Look at that glistening. Champagne pink. Still a beautiful fish. Probably around the 40 odd mark, I'd say. Let's go chuck him back. Absolutely beautiful. Not skunked. And there he goes. Battery was good. Just look at that, glorious, mate. Almost on sunset. This is drop 2 or 3 for me, I think. First one got snagged. Still had a fish on, but he spat the hooks. Second one was just a small pinky. Let's see where we go this time. Let's go, baby. Can we get one this time? And there it goes. Come home. Right, now last time we got a bite straight away, and I am not going to let me pull into reef. Look at this sky. My God, man. Purple, that purple colour up there. Wow. This crazy sunset. Definitely feels like they're off to a late start today. Wow. Double hookups, eh? But yeah, yours might have come off now. I've got some significant weight here. Oh yeah, head shakes. It feels that heavy that I just feel like I'm reefed the whole time, but I'm not. It might be. Feels weighty as. It could just be seaweed and a fish. I've been caught out like that before.
Yeah, I think that's quite a big one.
Well, it doesn't feel anywhere as heavy as it did before. Yeah, I hope so. I did let my line go a little slack though, so we should be getting closer. Please still be on. Yeah, it's still on. Now we don't have as much beach as we had last time.
Yeah, Mark's fish isn't too far away now.
We're getting close.
Getting very close. Please be a snapper, man. You reckon it is?
I hope so.
Looks very snapper-like, doesn't it?
It could be the dream again as well. Right, surely I've got to be very close. And this is where it came off last time. Oh, is that it in the water right there? Right here. Maybe not. He's definitely still on. Oh, he's trying to fight again. I think the wave's bringing him in. It's a big boy. Didn't zing as much as I thought though. That's why I'm thinking it could be a Jew. Yeah. Yeah, it does. It's right here. Again. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There you go, you called it.
Oh, it just felt like one.
Wow.
A little bit smaller. Oh my goodness. And I got my bait back. We've got another one. You beauty.
The land-based jewfish, eh? 2 in 2 weeks. This is incredible. How big is it?
It is, looks like about a 63, 64. About a 63, I'll say.
Alright, here, scissors for a look.
And that is about a 4 kilo fish. Wow. You. You're on big here.
My cast rod is just buckled.
Let's go. Oh yes.
Oh, yeah.
This might be a mulloway.
It could be a mulloway.
This could be a belter, dude.
Yeah, it's a good fish.
This could be the one we're after.
Very good fish, man. Oh,
Yes.
still good.
It felt like one to me straight away.
Oh, is that a
Oh, there it is. It's an eagle. Oh.
Oh, it's a little black ray, isn't it? Smooth ray.
Oh yeah, it's a blackie, yeah.
That's underwhelming, man.
At least you've got your gumboots on. Watch out for that tail, man. You did not want to get hit by that. Oh, spewing. I thought you had the absolute boss then. Bring him in on the way, that's it. He's only a baby too. That's what it is, it's the light gear.